think you should.
What's up, J Riders? It's your girl Justine, and I'm back with another video. So, as you can see, I had made my little self up early this morning and then end up laying back down. So I just got back up. I'm so tired. Anywho, my son just arrived with pancakes from IHOP. We got IHOP again. I know they're like, damn, why they go to IHOP a lot? Because we like their pancakes. So we got some family deal. As you can see, we got like a family deal where you get all this food. So, and Marisha on her way up. They didn't have no eggs? Oh, eggs in there. Oh, I see. Dang, this is nice. So here go my little plate out
I was
back.
knocking on the door, you didn't hear me?
Oh, what you got going on out here? So Marisha bought Kai some little chalk so he can write on the ground.
So say it, Kai. What's this?
Let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
N, O,
P,
Q.
D,
So that's what the record labels do. They call every other record
T.
label and say, when are your artists dropping?
U, B,
Wow.
W, X, Y, A, Z.
I got a sweep out here. It look like that paint
You see,
peeling.
look.
Yeah, it's so dusty. So yeah, I'm gonna have to
That's
sweep
why
out
we
here.
get, when we wash it,
We gotta hose it down. But yeah, we just made a little area so you can come out and play. He going crazy over these balloons.
balloon.
What?
I mean bubbles. He going crazy on the bubbles. Look up. You like it? This girl scared of bubbles. This girl scared of
Blow it,
bubbles.
huh? Blow it.
Lord.
You can't.
Look at him like King. Marisha treated us to pizza. Let's see, what else this? We got brownies. Oh, that's her chicken Alfredo. But brownies, I need not to be eating this. It's really against my diet. But I definitely want to eat this. Sausage, pepperoni, mushrooms, banana pepper, olives. Delicious. So here is Marisha doing a DIY. She's making a
safety pin shirt.
like she's about to cut up this shirt and like hold it together with safety pins because that's the little fashion. She doing it herself
You don't know
instead
how
of
it's gonna turn out.
right. But instead of like this, like easy like things that people can do, like these little stuff is like easy to do instead of going out and spending a whole lot of money. It's cheaper to do it yourself. All right, so let's go. What we gotta do? Okay, Marisha, we gotta do what? You gotta cut the shirt halfway. Okay.
So like right here is good.
Okay, yeah. You should have put it on to measure like where. But it's okay, go ahead.
How I'ma measure?
I don't know. Just,
Exactly.
Like, I don't
This
know.
girl talking about measure.
Yeah, you measure.
Uh-oh.
What's going wrong? What
No, I'm just saying, like,
what happened?
these, where the big scissors at?
Yeah, hold on. I think I got, hold on.
Now I gotta try it on. So I can see how tight.
Like a vest.
So this is the outcome. And you did actually good for your first time.
Should I put more or leave it like this?
That's cute like that. But I think too, like next time you should bring the top part down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So it could be mostly like in the middle. But that's cute. It looks just like a little vest. Good job.
Should you bigger than?
All right, so my kids is gone, and I laid down and dozed off. So excuse me how I look. I was knocked out, and I just threw my hair up like that because I didn't want my hair hanging all down and get tangled up. But anyways, I'm gonna say this bed is like heaven. Every time you get in it, it's like, oh my God, you don't want to get out of it. It's heaven. Oh my God, my body just literally melts in there. The pillows all plump and juicy. It's just, oh my God, this is like the best sleep ever. I'm just gonna say that this have to be the best mattress I ever bought. And I cannot believe for the first few days, I couldn't sleep right because, man, it was hard as a brick. The minute I took that unzipped that protector from around my mattress, it's like heaven. Oh. So now I have to get another like mattress protector, but this time I'll just get one that goes over the mattress on top. Anywho, I didn't really do anything today. I really stayed home all day. Didn't leave the house except for to take out some garbage. And yeah, tomorrow I have a doctor appointment. Can't wait to see that, how that's going. It's just for a checkup because, you know, I was waiting for all this coronavirus stuff to go away so I could go to the doctor, you know, but I don't have to worry about all this. But it seemed like coronavirus is going to be here for a second, so I still have to go and get checked up and do things, you know, that I have to do, that we all should be doing anyway. Now, the reason why my hair is up like this is because I had everything down. Like, my hair was down, the top part was down, back of my hair was down. And I just put my hair up and braid the back of my hair and lay down. I had to take a nap this afternoon. Overslept. My son said he was knocking at the door. I didn't hear him. I was tired. And then they came by to check on me, see how everything was going. And then my son brought breakfast this morning, and then my daughter treated us to lunch. Pizza. That wasn't lunch, but treated us to pizza. My Mary stopped by. Mary was over when Marisha was doing her DIY, which came out really cute. And then yeah, so I didn't leave the house all day. So I'm literally just getting ready to go back to sleep, catch up on some rest, because I definitely need it. And then I got to get up early in the morning and get ready for my doctor appointment. So it be days like this where you just don't feel like doing anything. This is just reality. I'm not going to sit here and fake like I'm so busy or do something extravagant every day, because I don't. Another thing too, on days that I'm not really gonna be doing anything, I'm gonna be doing reactions and probably mukbangs, because they just seem more easier to do. And then another thing too, that I was thinking about like doing some type of like tea talk, and I don't know if I'm gonna do it once a week or whatever. Just let me know how y'all feel about it. But it's gonna be like a tea talk, and we pick a topic that we'll talk about and give our opinion, whether it's a topic or a person. It's tea, okay? So yeah, I'm tired. Sorry, I'm still tired. But anywho, let me get on off here. And I just want to say, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. We would love you to be a part of the J Writers family, okay? Also, don't forget to hit that bell button so you can be notified of every video I upload. Again, my name is Justine, and welcome. And I just want to say I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.